In the vast skies above, a silent sentinel patrols the world. It is the RQ-4 Global Hawk, one of the most advanced AI-powered reconnaissance aircraft ever built. Designed to fly higher, longer, and smarter than any human pilot could endure, the Global Hawk represents the cutting edge of modern surveillance. The Global Hawk is not a weapon, but a watchful eye. Developed by Northrop Grumman, this unmanned aerial vehicle specializes in high-altitude, long-endurance missions. Its mission is intelligence, to see, to listen, and to deliver critical information faster than ever before. At more than 44 feet long with a wingspan of 131 feet, its glider-like shape allows it to cruise at altitudes above 60,000 feet, nearly twice as high as a commercial jet. What makes the Global Hawk extraordinary is its brain. Integrated artificial intelligence systems allow it to plan routes, avoid weather, and optimize sensor usage in real time. Once launched, the aircraft can navigate across continents with minimal human input, sending back a constant stream of surveillance data. This autonomy reduces pilot fatigue and human error, while expanding the range of missions the aircraft can perform. The RQ-4 Global Hawk has a maximum range of over 12,000 nautical miles and can remain airborne for more than 34 hours without refueling. Powered by a Rolls-Royce AE 3007 turbofan engine, it cruises at speeds close to 575 kilometers per hour. Its synthetic aperture radar and electro-optical sensors can scan wide areas of land, sea, and airspace with unmatched clarity. Capable of monitoring up to 100,000 square kilometers in a single flight, it provides commanders with near real-time intelligence across the globe. The Global Hawk has been deployed in countless missions, from monitoring conflict zones in the Middle East to assisting with disaster relief by mapping areas hit by hurricanes, earthquakes, and wildfires. Its versatility lies in one truth: information is power, and the Global Hawk delivers it continuously, day and night, in any weather. But the story of the Global Hawk doesn't end with its current capabilities. Defense researchers are already experimenting with integrating quantum communication and advanced satellite relays into the platform. This could make the Global Hawk part of a secure, virtually unhackable global intelligence web. In the near future, its AI systems may go beyond simple navigation and data collection. They could begin analyzing patterns, predicting enemy movements, and even suggesting real-time strategies to commanders on the ground. Imagine an aircraft that not only sees the battlefield, but understands it. A system that can forecast conflict hotspots, detect hidden threats before they emerge, and deliver insights faster than any human analyst could. This vision is what makes the RQ-4 Global Hawk more than just a drone. It is a stepping stone toward the next generation of fully autonomous, AI-driven defense ecosystems. The RQ-4 Global Hawk is more than an aircraft. It is the eye of the future battlefield, a machine that never sleeps, never blinks, and never stops gathering intelligence. But as its intelligence grows, one question remains: in a world where machines can see everything, who will truly control the sky?